Adler with AVNation. I'm here with Tom Devine from AVPro Edge. Thank you for joining me, Tom. We're here to talk about HDBaseT in sports bar applications. How are you today, Tom?
I'm excellent. Thanks so much for having me today.
So tell us a little bit more about you and your background and what AVPro Edge specializes in.
Sure. So my name's Tom Devine. I'm the Director of Marketing for AVPro Edge. And AVPro as a whole. It includes a few different brands, Meridio, Bullet Train Cables, and AVPro Edge, which we're here talking about today. So what makes AVPro Edge and what is special and you know who we are is we're an audio video distribution company that specializes in and got our start out in display calibration. So through our brand Meridio, we really take an emphasis on pixel for pixel perfect video quality. And that is the backbone of all the products that we make. And so what ends up happening is we create products that go above and beyond what a lot of our competitors do because we put such an emphasis on there. And so AVPro Edge is audio video connectivity manufacturer, but we have this kind of different unique start that a lot of other companies don't have, which gives us a different eye at the way that we're going to develop and output our products.
Yeah, absolutely. So what is it that you're showcasing here at InfoComm 19?
Well, we have a lot of different things to showcase here, so definitely take a look. Come over to our stand at the HDBaseT booth. Come check out our larger booth, 1875. We are showing a really cool solution to AV over IP. Right, everybody is using AV over IP. It's being developed nonstop. But right now, we have an alternative to it. By using an HDBaseT infrastructure, we allow you to do the same kind of cool things you can do with AV over IP, like unlimited amount of TVs. You can do video walls and multi-view, so you can put a bunch of sources on one. We do that with our Cloud9 system. So it's a 9 input, and we chose 9 because there's 9 NFL football games on at one time. So you can show all 9 football games throughout your entire bar, and you distribute these signals uncompressed. So when you do AV over IP, it does have to go through a matrix switch, or excuse me, not a matrix switch, a network switch, and in turn, you're changing this audio video data into an IP packet. What we do is we leave that raw, uncompressed audio video signal and we distribute it to every single TV in your system, so you don't have compression artifacts, banding, so your picture is going to be pixel for pixel perfect.
So why such a specific focus on sports market?
Sure, well, a lot of people have other markets cornered, right? But we don't see somebody who's coming in and saying, this is the sports bar solution, besides AV over IP. So we want to give integrators a solution, a whole package that they can know that they purchased the Cloud9 package, and they're going to be able to implement it into a sports bar. When the person calls and says, hey, I'm adding a new wing and I need to add more displays, no problem. The Cloud9 is completely expandable, and it's priced perfect for a competition against AV over IP, so that you're not breaking the bank to try to give your customer a much better quality picture signal.
And do you see the Cloud9 having broader applications beyond the sports market?
Yeah, we sure do. And we position it as that, but it has already been installed in thousands of applications all around the world with sports bars, but also bowling alleys, hospitals, museums, hotels, and hospitality. Because the thing about it is it's an expandable switcher that you have the switcher is doing all the work, so you're not having to worry about your audio video signal going through any other product that it can possibly cause a hiccup, give you no picture, distort your signal. With the Cloud9 solution, there's no possibility of that. In turn, you have an ultra stable solution that we are so proud of it. We have a 10-year, no BS warranty at all. So you're talking, if you have a problem with it, we'll do an advanced replacement. If you have a problem with it 8 years from now, we'll do an advanced replacement and get it going. So yeah.
What else are you guys working on, Tom?
Oh, so many things. I mean, the amount of things that we're working on, sports bar, that's what we're showing, and that's what we're utilizing at the HDBaseT booth. but we are a company based in South Dakota, in the middle of the Midwest, with not a lot to do except for look at cornfields and bean fields and explore
Sports bars.
And start tinkering with electronics and developing and engineering these next level solutions. So we have a really cool video wall that we're plug and play, 1 input, 4 outputs, and it's expandable to you could add 8 and then do 40 display, or if you had 10, you could do 40 displays. We also do very cool HDMI extenders, matrix switchers, distribution amplifiers, and full control packages. If you're looking for out-of-the-box, unique solutions in the audio-video industry, AVPro Edge is bringing those. We're the first to market with an audio down mixer built into our matrix switchers. We were the first that does 7.1 channels. Most audio down mixers can down mix 6 channels. Ours can do 24 or 32. We're the only people that are doing that. We're the first company that made an 8x8 matrix switch that did full 18 gig 4K. We will continue to push technology further and further and further, and HDBaseT is helping us do that.
Fantastic. Where can people find you online?
Well, you can find us at avproedge.com. You can find us at AVPro Edge on all the other social media sites, and Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and our YouTube page. Actually, I want to post that. Go find us on YouTube. We have you're watching a video right now, so we have a really cool YouTube page that we're putting out very, very informative, quick videos that are going to give people a really quick understanding of what we're doing. So I hope you guys check it out.
Awesome. All right, I'm Lindsay Adler with AVNation, and I'm here with Tom Devine of AVPro Edge. Thank you for joining me, Tom.
Thank you so much.